It is currently 10:48 p.m. and tomorrow I catch a flight to Japan. I am trying to prepare my body for the time change because I'm pretty sure it's a good 12-hour time change. Let's see. Right now it's 10:48 p.m. and over there it is 12 p.m. right now. You are going to help me stay up by packing with me. This flight is through American Airlines, so luckily I can take a personal bag and a carry-on. So I'll be able to have a good amount of things. Hi, I'm Taya. I'm a travel content creator and I post weekly videos inspiring other content creators how to elevate their brand, land pay collabs, and travel more. In typical me fashion, I am packing the night before a early morning flight. As part of my packing process, I always make a packing list that kind of is like a baseline or the bare bones of what I need to pack, and then I get started. So I always start with looking at outfits. I always pack my clothes based on my outfits. I have some Pinterest inspo going. So I'm going to be referring to this and my packing list along with my itinerary to help me pick out what I'm going to wear. Let's get started. So this is my carry-on I'll be taking. This is my personal bag. So one thing with me, I love a good capsule wardrobe that I can wear with anything. Here's my outfits. I have a vest, 3 turtlenecks, a collared shirt, a like hoodie, or I guess a sweater with a collar, and then some cargo pants, flared jeans, and then straight leg jeans. As far as my shoes, so I'll probably take these and these. For packing, the rolling method works all day, every day. These are my tops and jackets, pants, and then socks and stuff. And I'll definitely have room to buy things and bring it back. Hopefully I'm done soon, but it's currently 11:36. I think I can make it through the night. At first I was worried, but I feel like I can do it.
Who's the bitch now, bitches? Sorry, old tea party. I was out here getting stuff done. I'm sorry, we shouldn't have underestimated you.
I'm officially done. I'm glad I got it all finished and everything packed. I just have to wait until it's time for me to go to the airport to pack my toiletries. I plan on vlogging while I'm in Japan, so definitely be on the lookout for those videos, and I will see you tomorrow.